What is up, everybody? It's your boy Brian with another short episode here on American Auto. Just here to give a big old great thanks. I want to give a big thanks to SuperClean, okay? SuperClean, and I told y'all in the live feed that they were going to be we were working together again. And guys, they sent me another care package. And I am so grateful. I really am. And so yeah, I want to show y'all just how good their stuff is in case you don't know. Man, there's so many different places you can buy this stuff from. I'll get to that in just a minute. But let me show you what they sent me this time. They sent me that guy. I'm excited about that. I don't know where I'm going to hang it yet, but I will have it hung up. They sent me the aerosol can of degreaser. Okay. That's actually in the house. I only had two hands to grab. They sent me another bottle of the SuperClean regular degreaser. This stuff is awesome. This is what I buy by the gallons. Yes, I normally buy my SuperClean, but yeah. And then they sent me the all-wheel cleaner, which works out perfect because, as y'all know from yesterday, I got my caddy back. I'm so excited. I love this car, guys. I love this car. I've got it in the garage right now. I've been doing a little bit of stuff to it, trying to reseal the windshield because the windshield was a little leaky around the edges. This side right here up under this piece of trim here. There, yeah. And that's what gets the inside of the A-post there damp. And it tends to drip on your feet when it's raining. So, not a big deal. I'm just trying to patch that together. It's not really worth video, and plus the way I'm doing it, y'all wouldn't want to see it. But I'm going to back the caddy out here because we have got to clean some wheels. Now, I don't know if you can tell it or not, but those are dirty. A lot of brake dust on them. A lot of brake dust on them. Rear ones ain't so bad, but the front ones are. So, with them being dirty like that, we're going to test out the SuperClean wheel cleaner. So, I am going to get this garage door opened up and go ahead and get it backed out here. Y'all hang tight, and I'll put you on the tripod. All right, guys, so in the past when I've used this stuff before, you always want to keep your water hose. Don't go spray all four wheels and then come back and try and clean them and all that. Do one wheel at a time because this stuff is strong. But my God, it works great. I'm fixing to show you. Now, you definitely want to keep you some sort of a brush or something as well, just to get them harder to get areas. But I have seen on a good summer day, and I don't know what temperature has to do with it, but on a good hot summer day, doing one wheel at a time, if it's not too bad, you can spray it on, let it sit for about 10 seconds or so, and then just spray it back off, and it works. But these wheels have not been cleaned in, I know, 2 years. A year and a half to 2 years. And the reason I know that is because that's how long ago it was when I sold this car. I'm just so thankful it's back. I love my car. I regretted selling it the second I sold it. And SuperClean, maybe y'all can answer me this. Why does this spray this way? Come out all foamy and stuff. It's weird. It is weird. I don't know why it does that. I thought maybe it was the first bottle I got that it did that. And maybe the bottle was messed up, but apparently not. Apparently that's how it goes. Now, really, you probably should be wearing gloves or something. I don't know. It's never hurt me in the past not wearing gloves, so I don't know. Use your own discretion on that. But I mean, I'm not putting any real effort into cleaning this. I'm just simply just working it into the grooves there. We'll title this segment How Super Clean Got Its Groove. One spoke at a time, I guess. Guys, while I'm doing this, I want to give a big thank you to everybody who participated in the giveaway drawing. Y'all rocked that out. I'm still waiting on my third place winner to get in touch with me. So far, everybody else has. Yeah, they took their time, but they got in touch with me, so now I can start getting stuff sent out. But if I don't get a message pretty soon from the third place winner, we're going to have to pick somebody else. And I don't want to do that. I want everybody to get the stuff that they won on their own. Now, that was the extent of that. Now we just simply spray it off. And make sure if you get it on your paint, to get it off your paint. And the main reason I'm doing this is because the wife and I and all we're going out of town, so I want the car looking good. As good as I can before we go. Let's see, guys. Oh. Yeah, that's some old pitted stuff. But see, guys, that's how it works. Nice and clean. I'll give you an up close. Look at there. Yes, it's still wet, but you can see there ain't no brake dust anywhere on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these other three knocked out, and I'll bring you guys back in just a minute. Guys, one more thing I wanted to mention too. Aside from just cleaning the wheels and super cleaning all that, is go check out my buddies' channels, please. Give them some love. Tell them I sent you. Go check out Golden Rust or Bust. John's a really nice guy. You probably already are checking out Junkyard Digs, but if not, go check out Junkyard Digs. Kevin is awesome. Junkyard Mook. Mook is awesome. Give them a congratulations. They're getting married at some point in the near future. I don't know exactly how soon. We're not buddy-buddy like that, although I'd like to be. You know, I'd like to get to know Kevin and them way better. But anyway, go check out Pole Barn Garage. Another great channel. Another really nice guy. Him and his son doing stuff together. Yeah. Go check them guys out. Golden Rust or Bust, Pole Barn Garage, Junkyard Digs, Junkyard Mook, and yeah, and tell them I sent you. Okay? All right, guys, we got all four done, and they look pretty good. So I'll turn this camera around here, and we'll give you all a full walk around the Dadillac. All right, so here's wheel number one. The only damage really on this entire car is this front fender up here in that one little spot right there. I don't know what that's all about, or that, but that's the only damage on this entire car, except for the headlight. But anyway, so here's the Dadillac. And I call it Dadillac. I've called it Dadillac since the day I got it. There's the second wheel there. There's the back end of it. Guys, it really isn't nothing fancy. It's a 2004 Cadillac SRX with the V8. That's all. Leather seats. Panoramic sunroof. The inside's pretty clean too. Leather, heated seats, all that jazz. Yeah. And guess what? Little mama likes it too. She likes it because she can actually see out of it. But anyway, guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and leave me a comment. Tell me what you think about the Super Clean products. Go over and check them out. They're on all the socials too. They're on YouTube. They got stuff on YouTube at Super Clean. And then you can find them on Instagram at Super Clean Team. They've got a bunch of stuff posted there. They're on TikTok too. I'm pretty sure that's Super Clean as well, or Super Clean Team as well. And Facebook. they're on all the socials, same as I am, under SuperClean or SuperClean Team. You can find them. But yeah, reach out to them, guys. Let them know what you think about their products. I obviously love them. I took a chance with them, or took a shot and got them to work with me one time when I very first started my channel about 1.5 years ago. And dude, I've used their stuff ever since. Like, in this cabinet right here is a gallon of SuperClean that I bought. But other than that, leave me a comment, like, subscribe, share this with your buddies, turn on that bell notification so that way you know when I'm posting another video. I'll be posting another video this week working on a F250 front suspension and all that stuff. And yeah, like I said, go over and check out Golden Rust or Bust, Junkyard Digs, Vice Grip Garage, Junkyard Mook, Pole Barn Garage, and all them. All right, that's going to do it for this one, guys. I know I told you it was a short one. But yeah, do all things, and we'll see you on the next one. Just a day or two. Thanks.